Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Warrior channel. Today, Russia and the world's deadliest fighter jets and bombers angered NATO. Russian Tu-160 fighter jets and bombers flew very low over Ukraine. This makes the Ukrainian people afraid, and of course makes NATO angry with this incident. Russian air patrols can detect the jets take off deep inside the territory of Ukraine. Their R-37M missiles can hit an aerial target at a distance of 1,200 kilometers or 93124 miles, whereas Ukrainian rockets can only travel up to 50 kilometers or 31 miles. So Russian planes can see Ukrainian aircraft and shoot them down long before they pose any threat. The bombers Tu-160 and fighter jet Russian aircraft on their way to bomb Ukraine's Chernihiv. As per a report published on the Kommersant website, the attackers reportedly consisted of dozens of Tu-160 bombers and Su-34 fighter jets, as well as Su-35 fighters. The fighter jets were allegedly intended to deliver a missile and bomb attack on targets in Ukraine's Chernihiv region, with the bomber Tu-160 providing backup support and recovery for the fighter jet crews. However, the Russian state news agency TASS reported that a Russian Su-34 warplane has crashed in the Bryansk region. The report did not mention the cause of the crash. Citing emergency services, TASS also reported that a helicopter had crashed near Klintsy, about 40 kilometers at 25 miles from the border due to an engine fire. No official response from Ukraine has been made, but Mikhailo Podolyak, a senior advisor to Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, in a tweet, an air group consisting of dozens Su-57, Su-34 and Su-35 fighter jets and several bomber Tu-160 support flew over the Bryansk area to launch a missile bomb strike. Since the start of the Russian invasion, the Ukrainian Air Force has suffered serious losses, although they don't reveal specific figures. To end Russia's superiority in the air, Ukraine wants its Western partners to provide more modern jets like the US-made F-16. Thanks for watching. See you the next videos.